Hey everybody, Chris White from TAP Pest Control Insulation again, and I'd like to talk this time about preparing for the high heat months. Okay, so during the summertime, we get some pretty extreme temperatures, and a lot of times people think about insulation only when it's cold. Some people think, well, I need insulation to insulate myself when it's cold, but actually you need insulation when it's hot. TAP will actually keep the cooler air in the home during the air conditioned season, as well as keeping the heat in the home during the heating season. So think of it this way, is that the insulation is going to keep the heat where it belongs, whether that's outside in the summer or inside in the winter. So it's just as important to add insulation during the summertime as it is the wintertime. But installing TAP in the summer months does take a little more consideration. You need to avoid heat exposure in any way possible. Attics can get up to 150 degrees. That is extremely hot. And in just a few minutes during that exposure, you can experience heat stroke, heat exhaustion, heat cramps, all kinds of nasty heat related things. So you've got to take a lot of precaution during that time. In fact, anything over 105 degrees can expose us to any of those elements, and even lower than that if you're in there for a longer period of time. And everybody's a little bit different in their physical makeup and how things are, so we need to be very cautious up there. So one of the things that we always recommend doing is trying to get into the attic as early in the day as possible, before that sun beats down on that attic and starts really heating it up. We want to get into that attic and try to be completed before the height of the day comes. Now that's sometimes easier said than done. Sometimes homeowners don't want you there at 6 a.m., but it's worth having that conversation if they really want to have that job done, to be able to keep everybody safe on the job. Now, some of the other things you can try to do is really swapping out employees frequently. So when you're in that attic, swap out that employee after just a few minutes, really 10 minutes max, 15 minutes max. Switch somebody out. So it's a good idea to have an extra person or two on the job. So typically we have 2 people on a job for an install. It might be worth having 3 or 4 when you're dealing with the hotter months, and you can give folks a break from that heat in the attic. The other things are cooling vests. That's going to help prolong the time you can be in there. Those are vests that have packets in there to keep your body temperature cooler. They do work for a little while, but like anything else, the cooling packs are going to get warm after a period of time, and you'll have to swap that out. Most importantly is stay hydrated. Always have water available. Always drink water. You don't ever want to dehydrate up there. That can lead to a lot of really nasty heat related things. So take care when you're there. Take care of yourself. Take care of your employees. Take care of each other in the hot months. The benefits are there for the homeowner, but we just need to be cautious and stay cool.